Since AB is equal to AC, this angle being x, this angle will also be x, and the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. That would be equal to 68 that I have here, plus x. Therefore 2x would be equal to 180 minus 68, which would be equal to 112. So x would be equal to, when I divide this into 2, x would be equal to 56 degrees. Internal angles in a triangle is equal to the other external angle. That's why 116 is equal to 66 plus x, and then x is equal to 116 minus 66, which is equal to 50 degrees. The internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180, and we have a right angle here. That's why this angle must be, let's call it alpha first, is equal alpha plus 50 must be equal to 90, and then alpha is equal to 90 minus 50, that is 40. So this angle is 40 degrees. Now we see that 40 plus 4x is equal to 180. That's why 4x is equal to 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140. And when I divide each side by 4, x is equal to 35 degrees. So we have a right triangle here. 6x plus 4x will be equal to 90. 10x is equal to 90, and x is equal to 9 degrees. What I'm asked is 3x, and this is equal to 3 times 9, which is equal to 27 degrees. They're asking us the value of 3x. As you see here, 3x plus 3x must be equal to 90 degrees, and 6x is equal to 90 degrees. They're asking me 3x, so I just divided them into 2, and 3x is equal to 45 degrees. Since AB is equal to AC, then angle B must be equal to angle C, and the sum of the internal angles of a triangle must be equal to 180. That is 134 plus 2x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 134, which is equal to 46 degrees. When I divide each side by 2, x is equal to 23 degrees. In triangles, the side across the greater angle has a greater length. That's why BC has the greatest length here. BC has the greatest length because angle A is the greatest here. This must be greater than, since angle B is greater than, and is the second one, this must be greater than AC, and finally what we have should be AB. The sum of external angles of any polygon is equal to 360. So when I sum these three angles up, I have to reach 360. So x plus 128 plus 124 is equal to 360. X plus 252 is equal to 360, and x is equal to 360 minus 252, which is equal to 108. Since this angle is y, 3x plus y is equal to 180. And this angle, this is also 3x, so this must be y, and this must y too. So 3y, summing these three up, is equal to 180, and y is equal to 60 degrees. 3x plus y is equal to 182. So 3x plus 60 is equal to 180, and 3x is equal to 180 over 60, that is 120. And when I divide each side by 3, x is equal to 40 degrees. What I am asked is 2x plus 6y. That is equal to 2 times 40 plus 6 times 60, which makes this is 80 and this is 360. They sum up to 440 degrees. Call this point as F. We have another triangle here, ABF triangle now. Now the internal angles of ABC triangle is equal to, say this is C, 80 plus C plus 2x. Now this alpha is equal to here too, because they are across each other, so this is also alpha 2, and this alpha is the external angle of this angle. Therefore, the sum of these two angles, 80 and x, must sum up to alpha. And I could say alpha is equal to then 80 plus x. Since BD is equal to AD, then this angle must be equal to y2. Similarly, since AD is equal to DC2, then this angle is equal to 3x. Let's sum all these up. All these ABC triangles. Let's find the internal angles of this ABC triangle. ABC. What I have at A is 3x plus y plus 3x, which is equal to 6x plus 2y. And the sum of internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. That was what I was looking for, and that's the answer. AD is equal to DC, so this angle here is equal to alpha 2. And AB is equal to AC2, that's why this angle B, is equal to alpha 2. So the internal angles of this triangle is equal to alpha plus alpha plus alpha plus x, which is 3 alpha plus x is equal to 180. This means that x is equal to 180 minus 3 alpha. And what I'm asked is 2x, so I just multiply this by 2. Then this is equal to 2x is equal to 360 minus 6 alpha.